Hi everyone, this is Miss Mbandra speaking, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a lesson on how to do embroidery. So first things first, what is embroidery? So embroidery is basically duplicating an image that you have onto something else. In this instance, we're going to be using flowers. So if you want to embroider flowers onto something, in this instance we're going to be using maybe let's say just a t-shirt, and you want to knit flowers onto the t-shirts, basically embroider flowers onto the t-shirts manually. So you're basically going to start off with printing out the image of the flowers that you want on your t-shirt, and then you're going, once that is printed out, you're going to carefully trace the image of the flowers onto your t-shirt to get an outline of how you want your flowers to basically look like. Once you have that done, you're then going to take a knitting kit. This could be, for example, a needle and some wool. That's the type of embroidery that we're going to be doing. So once that is done, you're going to carefully place your wool inside of your needle, making sure and ensuring that you do not prick yourself or hurt yourself. This is a very crucial step because the wool will be what we need to embroider the flower onto our t-shirts. So once that is done, you are then going to carefully sew in the first step, before you sew in, you're going to make a knot inside of your wool to make sure that the threads do not run through. So once you've sewed a knot inside of your wool, to make sure that the wool is secure and to make sure that your embroidery is secure onto your t-shirt, you are then going to start sewing on the outline of your image. If you want it to be solid, then you would sew the outline, including the inside of the image that you're choosing to embroider onto your t-shirts. You're going to do that, and you're going to continue doing that until your image is fully met. So the very important thing that you need to know when you are embroidering is that you need a clear image that you're going to embroider wherever, even if it's not a t-shirt, even if maybe it's a piece of canvas. You're going to make sure that you the image that you're choosing to embroider is very clear. If not, then your image will not come out as desired. So once you're sewing everything, you also want to make reference to the original image that you are choosing to embroider on whichever canvas that you are choosing to embroider that image on. This will ensure that your image comes out as clear as possible, because you do not want to end up with an image that is not clear. So the very important things and very important notes that you need to take when embroidering anything at that matter is that you have, number one, a clear piece of wool. Your wool cannot be tacky or anything, because this will definitely affect the final image of whatever it is that you are trying to embroider. So after everything that you have learned, the questions that I have to ask you guys are: number one, what is the most important thing when you're choosing to embroider something? Number two, what is it that you need to take very careful consideration of when you are embroidering anything? I hope that this lesson was very helpful, and this will help you build the skill of embroidering anything. Thank you.